Welcome back to The Explainer. If you caught our last one, you know we covered 5 tools that are already saving people hours of busy work. Well, today we are back with 5 more that are honestly even better. Whether you're managing projects, creating content, sitting through endless meetings, or just wanting your daily work to look a bit more polished without all the extra effort, you are in the exact right place. All right, let's dive right in. Today, we've got a fresh batch of exactly 5 practical tools for you. No hype, no confusing jargon, just practical AI applications that are going to instantly automate the most tedious parts of your daily workflow. And honestly, the absolute best part. Every single one of these has a rock-solid free plan. Getting started is going to cost you absolutely $0 to test these out, integrate them into your day, and see the benefits immediately. So if you are tired of the endless repetitive manual work and you genuinely want your evenings back, let's start rebuilding your workflow, beginning with a task almost everyone dreads. Tool number 1 is Gamma for instant presentation generation. We have all been there, right? Staring at a blank screen at 9 p.m., dragging text boxes around, fighting with alignment for a big meeting the next day. Gamma completely kills that blank page anxiety. You literally just type in a basic outline or, honestly, even just a topic, and Gamma does the heavy lifting. We're talking a fully designed, beautifully formatted deck in less than a minute. It is an absolute game changer that essentially gives you your evening back. Moving right along, tool number 2 is Descript for effortless audio and video editing. Now, if the technical side of video editing makes you a bit camera shy, this is going to blow your mind. Descript fundamentally redefines editing. Forget scrubbing endlessly through a complicated timeline trying to find the exact moment you messed up. Descript auto-transcribes your footage, and when you want to make a cut, you simply highlight the bad sentence in the text and hit delete, exactly like you're in a Word document. The text goes away, and boom, the matching video clip instantly vanishes too. It's almost magical how seamless it is. Oh, and it gets even better. It has a one-click filler word removal tool. With just a single click, it scans your entire project and completely wipes out all your ums, ahs, and likes. You sound perfectly polished, and you didn't have to perform any manual digital surgery on your audio track. All right, tool number 3 is Otter.ai for automated meeting transcripts. Shifting gears from content creation to everyday office survival, Otter is the ultimate meeting multitasker. You know the old routine, frantically scribbling pages of messy notes that you can barely decipher an hour later? Well, Otter actually joins your calls with you and spits out a highly accurate live transcript. That means you can finally just sit back, focus entirely on the actual conversation, and walk away with a crystal clean summary before you even close your laptop. And right when you hang up, it automatically separates the different speakers, highlights the critical points, and even pulls out actionable summaries, just like these. It tells you exactly who needs to do what, completely eliminating that frantic post-meeting scramble to organize your thoughts. Tool number 4 is Remove.bg for quick design fixes. Okay, this one might seem like a smaller application, but you are going to find yourself using it constantly. Look at how brilliantly fast this is. You don't need to boot up a heavy, complicated design program for a 10-second job. You just upload your photo and you're done. The AI instantly strips the background, giving you a perfect, transparent image. It flawlessly handles incredibly complex edges, like stray strands of hair or fingers. No more wasting 20 minutes tracing with a digital lasso. And finally, tool number 5 is Beautiful.ai for polishing visuals and design. To close out our workflow loop for today, Beautiful.ai is the perfect sidekick to our first tool, Gamma. Gamma is fantastic for getting that first draft done fast from scratch, but Beautiful.ai really shines when you need to polish an existing deck. Remember how adding just one new bullet point used to throw your entire slide out of whack? Well, Beautiful.ai acts like a pro design assistant sitting right next to you. It automatically rebalances your spacing, alignment, and layout the second you drop in new content. Your slides will never look uneven again. So, if you combine today's explainer with our previous one, you now have 10 incredibly powerful free AI tools in your arsenal to completely overhaul your daily productivity. I'd actually highly recommend grabbing a quick screenshot of this rundown right now so you don't forget your new toolkit. We've got Gamma for drafting from scratch in a flash, Descript for editing video just like a text doc, Otter.ai to conquer those meetings, Remove.bg for instant photo cleanups, and Beautiful.ai to auto-polish those slide designs. As we wrap things up and look ahead to next week's Explainer, where we'll be tackling tools specifically built for marketing and research, I want to leave you with a bit of a challenge to shake up your current routine. Take a look at your schedule for tomorrow. Out of all the things on your plate, which tedious task are you going to automate first?